Hey, take a quick look down at your shoes. Did you know that humans were wearing shoes long before we even started building permanent houses? It's true, our footwear has a story that's as old as human history itself. So, let's take a walk through time and explore the incredible evolution of shoes, from the caves of our ancestors all the way to the modern catwalks. Imagine this, tens of thousands of years ago, our earliest ancestors were walking around barefoot. Ouch! They had to deal with sharp rocks, thorny bushes, scorching hot sand, and freezing cold ground. It didn't take long for them to realize they needed a solution. So, around 10,000 years ago, they started getting creative. They began wrapping their feet in whatever they could find: animal hides, tough leaves, and bundles of grass, tying it all together with vines. These weren't exactly high fashion, they were pure, hardcore survival gear, the first line of defense between human feet and a dangerous world. This simple invention allowed our ancestors to travel further, explore new territories, and survive in harsh climates. It was a game changer. Fast forward to the great ancient civilizations. In ancient Egypt, the material of choice was papyrus and palm leaves. Sandals made from these plants were a luxury, and for the most part, only the wealthy and powerful, like pharaohs and priests, could afford to wear them. The common folk still went barefoot. Over in Mesopotamia, they crafted sandals from leather, which were much more durable. But it was the Romans who really took footwear to the next level. They were masters of engineering, and that extended to their shoes. They designed incredibly sturdy sandals called caligae for their soldiers, complete with thick, hobnailed soles for grip and intricate straps for support. Roman shoes weren't just about protection, they were a symbol of your role in society. You could tell someone's status, their profession, and even their military rank just by looking at their feet. Then came the Middle Ages, and things got a little weird. Fashion became extreme. In Europe, a bizarre trend took hold: long, pointed shoes called poulaines. The length of the toe was a direct indicator of your social standing. The longer and more ridiculous the point, the wealthier and more important you were. Some of these shoes had points so long that they had to be tied to the knee just to walk around. When the Renaissance arrived, fashion shifted again. Shoes became more artistic and expressive. They were decorated with vibrant colors, embroidery, and jewels, reflecting the cultural explosion of the era. They were a canvas for self-expression, a way to show off your wealth, taste, and connection to the arts. The real revolution, however, happened in the 19th century with the Industrial Revolution. Suddenly, machines could do what was once painstakingly done by hand. This changed everything. For the very first time in history, shoes became affordable for the masses. No longer a luxury for the rich, everyone could now own a decent pair. This era introduced to major innovations we take for granted today. First, manufacturers started making shoes specifically for the left and right foot, which made them infinitely more comfortable. Second, mass production techniques meant that shoes could be made quickly and cheaply. Comfort finally started to matter just as much as style, and the modern shoe industry was born. This brings us to the 20th century and into today. The last 100 years have seen an explosion of creativity and diversity in footwear. We got specialized sports shoes that enhanced athletic performance, leading to the birth of sneaker culture. We saw the rise and fall and rise again of high heels, boots for every occasion, and a world of designer footwear that blurs the line between clothing and art. Today, our shoes are a fusion of advanced technology, high fashion, and personal identity. We have running shoes with carbon fiber plates, luxury sneakers that cost thousands, and even a return to ancient ideas with the growing popularity of minimalist, eco-friendly, and barefoot shoes. They are a statement of who we are and what we value. So, the next time you tie your laces or slip on your favorite pair, remember that you're participating in a story that's thousands of years old. From a simple piece of hide meant to protect our ancestors' feet to a complex symbol of our modern identity, shoes truly tell the story of human ingenuity, culture, and evolution. They've walked with us every step of the way. If you found this journey through history as amazing as I did, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. And for more mind-blowing stories from the past, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.